My name is Fatima Talib, and the course I have from Coursera Online is Digital Marketing and E-commerce. It basically has seven further courses, which are the foundations of digital marketing and e-commerce, attract and engage customers with digital marketing, and from likes to leads, interact with customers online. Think outside and the inbox email marketing, assess for success, marketing analytics and measurement, and make the sale, build, launch, and manage e-commerce stores. And then with the last satisfaction guarantee, develop customers' loyalty online. And these are also the things that I have learned from this course. Today I will be presenting two things side by side. The first one is the presentation, and then I will show what I have done on the course era of my course. Okay, so this is the presentation which basically I've created on my knowledge that on the things that I have learned. So let's move on to it. Okay. The first one is Foundation of Digital Marketing and E-commerce. In this course, I learned about the digital marketing and e-commerce, what basically they are. So basically, digital marketing is using online platforms, like websites, social media, and search engines to promote products or services. Whereas e-commerce is basically buying and selling of goods and services online through website platforms. The next thing is the roles and responsibilities you can get from entry level digital marketing, which basically includes content management, campaigns, support, SEO tasks, analytics reporting, email marketing, and collaboration. And then it basically tells how journey maps helps understand customer behaviors. It basically through it is done through visualize customer steps, identify pain points, understand emotions, improve experience, and focus on customer needs. And then in the picture, you can I have shown the customer journey map, as you can see. Let's move on to now. Let's move on to the course era. Yeah. Here you can see there are four modules in this sub-course of Foundation of Digital Marketing and E-commerce, which is for the module one. As you could see, I have watched the videos, then the readings, and the practice assignments and quizzes, and also at the last I have completed the graded quiz. Same for the module 2, you could see I have done the graded quiz. Graded quizzes are also assignments, watch the videos, and then the readings. Same for the module 3, you could see I have watched the videos, done the readings, graded assignments, graded quizzes. And for the module 4, I have watched the videos, done the readings, as you could see. Okay, so let's move on to the next sub course, which is basically attract and engage customers with digital marketing. And this sub course I learned basically about the SEO and SEM, what basically they are, their differences, and how they works. So basically, SEO is search engine optimization, which is basically improving a website to rank higher, and SEM is search engine marketing, which is paying for ads to appear on search engine results. Just for example, for SEM, it could be Google Ad display at the website, and SEO use relevant keywords to appear in Google search. So the basic key difference between SEO and SEM are of cost, traffic, placement, and speed. For example, SEO is for SEO, a bakery optimizes its website for the keyword fresh bread near me to appear in organic results. And for SEM, the same bakery runs a Google ad targeting fresh bread delivery to show paid ads at the top. For SEO, let me give you an easy word. It's like this. Whenever you search on Google fresh bread near me, that specific bakery will appear on your page. And for SEM, uh, just like you're visiting a website and the ad appears there and it says fresh bread delivery. Okay, so basically there are three stages in marketing, which is a marketing funnel, which includes awareness, consideration, and conversion. Okay, so first goes to the awareness stage. Awareness in an awareness stage, SEO helps people discover your website when they search. For example, a bakery shows for fresh bread near me, just like we discussed earlier. And for SEM, display your business at the top of the search results. A bakery ad appears for such like order bread online or fast delivery. And then the second one is consideration stage. For SEO, it provides helpful content to answer questions or compare options. For example, a blog about the benefits of fresh artisan. And for SEM, targets users with ads and bring them back to your site. For conversion stage, SEO basically guides users to take action. For example, a bakery website has a buy now button on a well-designed product page, and for SEM, it could be drives ready to buy users directly to the checkout or contact page. For example, an ad would get 20% off your first order links straight to the order form. So the next we discussed here are the tools for digital marketing. Okay, so the tools for digital marketing are first there is Google Search Console and second one is Google Ads. So in Google Search Console, it basically monitors website performance in Google search. It has identified and fixed technical issues and it also shows keywords which brings traffic to your website. And for the Google Ads, it is basically a platform to create paid ads that appear on Google, and it also choose keywords to show your ads to the right people. And it has different ad types just like search ad, display ad, shopping ads, and more. So here now we discuss the basic concept of targeting audiences, which is basically define your audience just like customers' age, location, interest, or and then there's use keywords, just like choose terms people search for to match your ad and set clear goals like focus on clicks, sales, and awareness based on your needs. And test ads, create different versions to see which works the best. And track results, use analytics to check ad performance and improve. Now let's go and see this course and the course area. Okay, so here you can see in module 1 I have done watched the videos, then the readings, then the final graded quiz and the practice quizzes too. So same for the module 2 as you could see. Now let's go to the module 3. I have watched the videos, done the graded assignment, done the reading, graded quiz also, and now let's go to the module 4. You could say I have watched the videos, done the readings, practice assignments, graded assignments, and the final module graded assignment also. In which I scored 87.5 percentage. Now let's go to the third course, which is basically from likes to leads, interact with customers online. Social media, it basically includes social media strategy, and there are basically 5 pillars of social media strategies. Now let's get into these pillars one by one. First one is strategy. It basically decide goals and choose platforms based on audience. And the second one, planning and publishing. It is a create a content calendar and post consistently at the best times. Engagement response to and the third one is engagement, which is basically respond to comments and message quickly. Start conversations to build a community. And then there is fourth one, analytics, which basically tracks likes, shares, and follower growth, and also analyze what post performs the best. And then there is fifth one, advertising, which basically run paid ads to search, reach or more people, and use targeting to show ads to the right audience. And for example, just for example, there is an X brand on Instagram. In this where they post the behind the scene videos or packing the product videos using a storytelling and increase engagement by connecting emotionally with their. And then there is creating engaging content. Okay. So it basically includes the graphic design principles for marketers, which are focus on simplicity, which basically is avoid clutter, keep the design clean and easy to understand. And then there is use eye-catching colors, which is basically choose colors that align with your brand and grab attention. And then readable fonts, which is use clear, large fonts for important text. Consistent layout, keep design consistent across posts for a professional look. And then there is high quality image, which is basically use sharp and relevant and visually appealing images. And then balance composition, which basically distribute text, images, and empty spaces evenly for balance. And then call to action include clear CTAs like shop now or learn more. And as you can see, I have uh, the example in the written form and also in the image form. You could see from here. And then the next is analyzing success social media metrics, which includes seven tips, or you could say tools or anything. So let's go into them one by one. The first one is engagement rates, which basically measures like, comments, shares, and clicks on your post, and it shows how much your audience interacts with your content. And the second one is follower growth, which basically tracks how many new followers you gain over time and indicates how well your content attracts new audiences. And the third one is reach and impression, which is basically a number of unique users who see your post and total number of times your post is displayed. And then there is click through rate, CTI, which is the percentage of people who click a link in your post. It also measures how effective your CTA is. And then there is social media campaign report, which is a summary of how a specific campaign performed, which includes key metrics like engagement, reach, and clicks, and also the insights. And then there is tracking tools, which is basically analytics tools like Instagram Insight, Facebook Analytics, and third-party platforms like Hootsuite, which is also shown in the image you could see here. Then there is improvement tips, which is analyze what types of posts gets the most engagement and also adjust future content based on their performance. Okay, so now let's see the scores from the Coursera. You could see for the module 1, I have watched the videos, done the readings, done the practice quizzes, and also the graded quiz. And same for the module 4, sorry, 2, and then module 3, and then there is module 4. You could say I've completed all the tasks and all the modules. It is, I'm showing this just to assure you that I have taken the lessons, I have done the readings, I have done the graded assignments on my own. Okay, so now let's go to the fourth course, which is sub course, which is basically think outside the inbox, which includes email marketing. So in this course, it basically tells about the email marketing basics. So let's get into it one by one. The first one is why email marketing is important. It is important because it directly reaches your audience's inbox, and it is cost effective and a high ROI and builds relationships with customers over time. So basically, there are two types of emails. The first one is welcome emails, in which you send when someone signs up or subscribe, or in the which is also the first impression to connect, introduce your brand. For example, welcomes. Here is a 10% discount to get started. And the second one is promotional email, which basically focuses on special offers or sales. It is also designed to encourage purchases and, for example, limited time of 20% off everything. Okay, so now there are three types of email campaign execution. How you execute an email campaign? It is done through planning, automation, and workflows. Let's get into these three one by one. So first one is planning. And planning, you basically set goals, know your target audience, and schedule your emails. And then the content creation is done, which in which you basically write clear emails, engaging emails, and about the product, like its features, benefits, and pricing. And then there is automation, which basically in this you choose email tools and create email lists, organize which means you organize your audience into segments, and then set triggers, which basically automates when email will be sent based on your actions. And the third and last one is workflow. And this you basically create email sequence like welcome email, product detail, and then the special offer. And then there is set time gaps, just like decide how much uh, time between emails, just like 1 day, 3 days, 5 days. And then there is test and optimizing. For example, we took a drip campaign for a new product launch. So the first email is a welcome email, and the second one is feature spotlight, and the third one is special offer, and the fourth and last one is the reminder. Okay, so the key metrics to measure email campaign success are open rate and click-through rate. So basically, open rate is the percentage of people who open your email. You could also calculate this from the following formula. And CTR click-through rate is the percentage of people who clicks on a link inside your email. You could also calculate this from the following formula. And in the example, I have calculated for subject line A and subject line B, CTR and open rate, and from those rates, it is analyzed that subject line B had a higher open rate and click-through rate, suggesting it's more engaging and more working the best. Okay, so now let's go towards on course era. You could see I have done for the reading, watched the videos, and the graded quizzes and ungraded plugins, graded assignments. I have done all those things and all the modules. I'm doing this just because to show you that I have watched all these things and done all these things on my own. There is no type of any confusion. I have also done the final graded quiz. Okay, so the fifth one is fifth, of course, is assess for success marketing analytics and measurements. So it includes the importance of analytics in digital marketing, which is data-driven decisions, which help business make smarter choices. And then there is track performance, which measures how well marketing campaigns are working. And then is the third one is on strategies, which shows strategies are successful and which needs improvement. And the fourth one is customer insights, which understands customer behavior. And then there is optimized budget helps allocate money to the best performing campaign. And now let's go to the tools for analytics, which are Google Analytics and A by B testing. So Google Analytics tracks website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rate, and A by B testing compares two versions of a web page or ad to see which one performs the best. Okay, so now here we discuss the KPI, which is the key performance indicators, which include website traffic, which measures how many people visit your site, and then there is conversion rate, which percentage of visitors who take a desired action. It has also a formula to calculate it, and then there is click-through rate, which is a percentage of people who click on ad or link. It also have a formula to calculate it, and then there is bounce rate, percentage of visitors who leave the site quickly without interacting. Uh, and then there is customer acquisition cost CAC, which is cost to acquire one customer. And it also has a formula to calculate it. And then there is ROI, return on investment. Return on investment shows the profit you make from an investment like ad. And there is also example of ROI. Okay, so now let's go to the next slide, which is visualizing data importance of presentation. Okay, so it basically includes the clarity, quick insights, and better decision making. Focus on key points, engagement with the customers, and comparing data and improve retention. And it could be done through the pivot table analysis. For example, basically a pivot table is a tool to summarize and analyze data, and it basically groups the data into categories. And pivot tables allow you to calculate totals, averages, and counts. You can filter and sort data to focus on specific details, and it can be used to create charts for easier understanding. It's shown here in the picture. It is done on the Excel. Now let's go to the course era. For this course, as you could see in the module one, I have watched the videos and the readings and the graded assignments, plugins, and then the graded assignments for the module two same. And same for the module 3 and 4. I have completed everything. Okay, so now let's go to the sixth course, which is basically the make the sale, build and launch and manage e-commerce stores. So basically, e-commerce setups have simple steps just like market research, first one, and the second one is product listing, and the third one is set up an online store, then payment gateway, and then shipping settings, and at the last there is launch your store. There is also a Shopify page. I think it's analyzing Shopify's. And then let's go to the next page, which is basically tells you about the best practices for optimizing checkout, which includes to simplify the process, which is keep the checkout to as few steps as possible, and offer guest checkout, which let customers check out without creating an account, and autofill from fields which uses browser features to autofill address, and then there is clear and visible CTA, which makes buttons like continue to payment, and then there is show total price early, which is display shipping cost and taxes before the final step, and then there is mobile friendly design, which is basically ensure the checkout works smoothly on mobile devices, and then there is multiple payment options which accept a variety of payment methods, and security display trust badges, and also in the uh, image you could see how it works. First the card to check out, the login guest, and then the billing information, and then it goes to the shipping information, and then the shipping method, and then review ordered, payment method, and order confirmation at the last. Okay, so let's go on to the streamlining cart abandonment process, which includes set abandoned cart emails, like remind customers about their abandoned items, and offer discount for free shipping, like provide a small discount or free shipping as an incentive. Simply, and then there is simply the cart review, which allows customer to easily remove or edit items, and then there is provide multiple payment methods, just like to make sure customers can easily complete with their purchase. And then there is clear return flow policy, which is display your return policy to reassure customers about making a purchase. The next is order fulfillment. There are three stages, which are first one is point of sale, which basically is the moment the customer places an order and pays. Okay, and the store order is there for processing, and then there is shipping. The order is packed and sent to the customer, and the shipping method is chosen. And then there is last. At the last is delivery. The order reaches the customer, which is the order reaches the customer's address and often tracked with the delivery service. For example, free shipping thresholds. Some businesses offer free shipping when a customer reach to a or spend a specific amount, and it also encourages customers to buy more, qualify for free shipping, quality products. In the image, you could see shipping process. Okay, and now let's see the course era. For this course, you could see for the module one I have done, watch the videos, ratings, practice quizzes, activities, ungraded plugins. Now let's go to the last course, which is basically satisfaction guaranteed develop customer loyalty online, which includes the building customer loyalty, which is done through loyalty programs, exclusive deals, personalized experience, consistent communication, excellent customer service, and building emotional connections and referral programs. Just for example, Starbucks rewards program earns stars at every purchase, redeem stars for free drinks, foods, and exclusive offers. Members also get early access to the new products. It also includes the measure satisfaction, which includes the NPS, Net Promoter Score, and repeat purchase rates. Okay, so the NPS is a tool to measure customer loyalty and customer rate, how likely they are connect recommend to a product or service, and which is high score equals to better customer satisfaction. And for repeat purchase rates, it is measures how often customer return to buy again, and higher repeat purchase equals to satisfied customer. It also indicates customer loyalty and product satisfaction. For example, a feedback service in e-commerce, as seen on the slide. Now let's go on to the now and final slide. It basically tells how to make the funnel portfolio using the resume, LinkedIn, and website portfolio. And these are the things that should be provided from these portfolios. As you could see, written in the slide for resume, highlight relevant skills, show certification list projects, action works tailored for each job. And for LinkedIn, update profile, write a strong headline, showcase projects, engage networks. And for our website portfolio, create a simple website, showcase work examples, highlight achievements, include the bio, make it easy to navigate. I have also shown the example on the form of the images. Okay, so now let's see the course on the Coursera. As you could see for the module one, I have watched the videos, then the readings, graded final quizzes, assignments, ungraded plugins, case studies, glossary items, Same for the module 2 and 3. I'm all showing all this just to let you know that I have completed all this and done this all on my own. And then there is also a summary of this whole course. Okay, so now let me tell you the things that I have basically learned from this course in this summary. Is that you could drive a business success through online strategies like SEO, SEM, social media, and customer engagement. And the key skills that you need for this are the SEO, content creation, data analysis, e-commerce setup, and customer loyalty to drive the success of your business. And then there is call to action, which basically apply these skills to real world projects or pursue career opportunities in digital marketing and e-commerce. So, and finally, as you could, as I have quoted that mastering digital marketing and e-commerce is essential for success in the modern business. So, thank you.